Welcome you all for SP Smart Hybrid Schooling System. So बच्चे, for today I will be going with a very basic topic. I know you all are well aware about the morning routines, but we will be practicing the morning routines in our spoken form. I don't want you people to pay attention to grammar. So take out grammar from your mind. We will be working on the grassroots means the basic. We will be working on the basic. We will be clearing our basics, and definitely we are moving forward with the right way to learn spoken English. Is it clear? Done, bache?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I want you people to mute yourself and listen to me properly. And when I will ask you to speak, then only you are allowed to unmute yourself and you will be representing your views regarding the topic. Okay. So, bache, let's start with the day. The moment you wake up, now what you need to do, you need to speak English. The more you will practice, the more you will learning how to speak English. I don't want you people to focus on grammar first. Let's make a fluency. Let's work on the pronunciation skills and let's get on the track. Once we are getting on the track, then the grammar comes, and definitely I'm helping you out with the basic grammar that has to be used in the spoken form of English. As I have told you earlier and in your previous classes, that spoken form of English is totally different what we do in your written form of English. So there is a contraction I have used in the very first tense. The moment you woke up, now you will be start speaking these sentences. You can speak to your own. Even you can have an interaction with the parents. Those who are saying that my parents are not too good in English or they can't speak in English, you don't have to worry. You can speak to yourself, right? Okay. So I have used a contraction over here. I plus have. It's, how do you pronounce it?
I have.
I have.
No, it's I've.
I have.
We have learned yesterday. I've got up now. It means मैं उठ गई हूँ या मैं उठ गया हूँ. How we say I plus have? I've. Unmute yourself. I've got up now. Right? That means मैं उठ गया हूँ. Say another contraction. I plus am. It's am. Have you seen mangoes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What do you call mango in Hindi?
Um.
Am has a longer a. Make it short. Am. Say am. I'm getting off the bed.
I'm getting the bed.
No, I am. It's am.
Um,
I'm getting off the bed. Right?
I'm getting off the bed.
Yes. This means I'm coming out of the bed. Right? Getting off मतलब अब मैं अपना बिस्तरा छोड़ रहा हूँ. I'm leaving my bed. I'm getting out of the bed. Right?
yes, sir.
Where are my slippers? Where are my slippers? The moment you get out from your bed, the very first thing you look for is your slippers, right? How do you pronounce slipper? It's not sleepers. बड़ी ई नहीं है. It's simply slipper. How do you pronounce slippers?
Slippers.
Right? What do you mean by slippers?
Slipper. Flip-flops.
What do you mean by slippers?
There are footwears.
Footwears, right? So you don't have to say where are my sleepers. No, sleepers is a wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation is slippers, right? Okay. Once you are gonna find your sleepers, then you have to say I put on the sleepers now. I put on. What do you mean by put on?
I wear.
To wear.
Weird.
Yeah.
I wear.
I put on the sleepers now. What? I put on. Say.
Slippers now.
Put.
I put on the slippers now.
Very good, Ragni. Very good बच्चे. Everyone is doing good, right? And put नहीं होता. It's not put, it's put. I put on the sleepers now. Okay?
I put on the slippers now.
After wearing your sleepers, you look at the watch. You have a look over the watch. What's the
Yes.
time right now? What's
What's the time right now?
what's the time right now?
What's the time right now?
Right now.
Right? You look at the watch after wearing the sleepers. We see, okay, what's the time right now? Always use it's with time. It's, say it's,
It's
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 6:42.
It's 6:42.
It's 7:15.
It's
It's 5.
It's
It's 5:57.
It's 5:57.
Okay, then you suddenly,
It's 5:57.
yeah, and suddenly your mama comes and she tells you, why are you mumbling right now? What she says? She says, why are you mumbling right now? What do you mean by mumbling? Mumbling means
Talking.
बड़बड़ाना. Yeah, बड़बड़ाना. You know why you're mumbling? जब हम आपस में अपने आप से बात करते हैं तो it means mumbling. Your mother comes suddenly in the room, say, बच्चे good morning, but why are you mumbling right now? Then you have to reply her, right? Actually, I'm learning English nowadays. So my sir has told me to mumble like this. Actually, say there is a comma. You have to take a pause. Whenever there is a comma, you need to take a pause. Actually, say actually,
actually
I'm learning English nowadays.
I'm learning English nowadays.
It's not I am, it's Actually, I'm learning English nowadays.
Actually, I'm learning English nowadays.
So sir has told me to mumble like this.
So sir has told me to mumble like this.
Okay, so now you are woke up, you're waken up, you are off the bed, you are wearing sleepers, you have seen the time, you have interaction with your mother, and now you're starting up with your day by going for running. So you will be telling your mother, I go for running now. Don't focus on grammar. First, you have to be on the track. I go for running now, or I go for jogging now. I go for a walk now. Say,
I go for
for walk.
now.
so are you going for a walk in the morning? Do you? No? This is so bad. You should take care of your health. Isn't it? Your health must be your priority. Isn't it? So start this tomorrow onwards. Okay. If someone is going to gym, right? Someone is health freak. So we use to with the destination. What do you mean by destination?
A place.
Yes. So always use to with destination, right? You can speak these sentence like, I go to gym now. Say,
I go to gym now.
very good. Or even, I go to the park now.
I go to the park now.
Yeah. So park is not the right pronunciation. Park is not the right pronunciation. It's park.
Park.
Right? I go to the park now.
I go to the park.
So no park, no park. It's park.
Park.
Say. I want everyone to say park.
Park.
No. You have to hit k in the end. Park.
Park.
I go to the park now.
I
Go to the
park.
Even I'm going to Jane, I'm going to his or her house now. If you want to visit some of your friends. Right? This is the things which you do the moment you get up. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what this picture is revealing before going to brush. Again, once you are entering your wash basin or your restroom for brushing up your teeth, you can use this sentence. And you have to speak. You have to practice every day this sentence. Is it cool? Are you getting it?
Yes, yes,
If you're understanding, thumbs up. Show me your thumbs. If you're understanding, show me your thumbs. Say thumbs up. Cool? Okay. So I will brush my teeth now. I will.
I will.
I will.
I'll.
I will brush my teeth
Ow.
now.
I'll.
Okay. So you are taking your brush. Here's the brush. Say.
There's the brush.
Here's the brush.
Now you're taking your toothpaste. Here is the paste.
Where's the paste?
There's the paste.
Here. यहाँ है.
Here is
Here's the paste, right?
Here's the paste.
Now you're putting your paste over your brush, right? How you're gonna say it? I put the paste on the brush and I start. I put.
I put the paste on the brush. The paste starts.
What does this mean? What does this mean?
It means that we have put up the paste on brush and now we have started brushing our teeth.
Very good. I rinse my mouth now. तो मुंह जब धोते हैं, जब मुंह में पानी डाल के we do gargling, right? उसको rinse कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? Rinse. So जब भी आप brush करेंगे, you will rinse your mouth, right? Always use this vocab, rinse. Okay, सुना ना? Is it clear, बच्चे? Is it clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
it's up
sir.
to you. Someone brush their teeth for 5 minutes, 4 minutes, maybe depend on the person to person. I took 3 minutes to brush my teeth.
I took 3 minutes to brush my teeth.
Okay,
I 2 minutes to brush
my teeth. Now after brushing, what we do? What we do after brushing?
बेटा अपना माइक ऑन करें जिसका माइक ऑन था एंड काइंडली स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा जिनका कैमरा ऑफ है अपना कैमरा ऑन करें
Okay, बच्चे.
गर्ल्स
Thank you, ma'am. What we do after brushing, बच्चे?
we wash our hairs
We
brush our
go for
Take a bath.
No, we wash our mouth. I wash my face now with clean water or face wash. We use face wash to wash our
Yes.
face, right? Or I apply scrub on my face today. I apply. Say apply.
I
Apply.
Scrub on my face today.
scrub on
Very good. Now after washing your face, finally we are going for bathing. Bath नहीं होता है. Bathing नहीं होता है. It's bathing. What?
bathing
Yes. Now we are starting with the bathing process, right? I take a bath now. Say.
I'll take a bath now
Very good. Very good. Very nice. I'm going to the bathroom.
I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay. I bolt the door. I bolt the door. What do you
I
mean?
close the door.
What do you mean by bolt?
Closed.
Locking the door. When you lock door, जब door को lock करते हैं, it say, it means we are bolting the door. It's bolt the door, right? So replace locking the door with bolt and bolting the door, right? Good to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you put your mics on mute, बच्चे? Kindly put your mics on mute. Okay. Now you're turning the tap. I turn on the tap. Open the tap नहीं होता है, right? Many of you are saying open the tap. What is open the tap? You are not a that thing, plumber, na? You are not using his things to open the tap. Who opens the tap? A plumber opens the tap, right? Got it? So I turn on the tap. What do you call tap? Tap को और क्या बोल सकते हैं? Faucet. Faucet. Tap को क्या बोल सकते हैं? Faucet. 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 I turn on the tap. Or I turn
on the camera
or I turn on the faucet. I turn on the faucet, right?
on the faucet
Okay. I have started bathing.
I have started
Bathing.
bathing
I have started bathing.
I have started bathing.
Right? I'm applying soap on my body now.
I'm
I'm applying soap on my
Body
body
now.
now.
I am applying shampoo on my hairs today.
I'm applying shampoo on my hairs today.
I rinse off my body and hair now.
I rinse off body and hair now.
Now, okay, I have a towel. Towel नहीं होता है, it's tall. Towel नहीं होता है, it's tall. क्या होता है? Tall.
Tall.
You don't have to say were, right? You have to get rid of were. I have a towel in my right hand and its color is blue.
I have a tall.
Tall. Again, speak it again. I have a towel.
I have a
Tall in my right hand
in the right hand.
and its color is blue.
Its color is blue.
Okay, you don't have to pronounce W. That is word. Towel. Wall. No wall. It's tall. Okay. I dry my body with this towel now. I dry my body with this towel now. And after bathing, what we do finally? We save water. I turn off the tap.
I turn off the tap.
And what's the another word for tap?
Faucet.
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 So, is there any problem with your morning routine?
No,
sir.
You got the right pronunciation of the things?
Yes, sir.
You really need to have, you really have to take care of the contractions which you're using in your spoken. See, contraction has a major value when it comes to your spoken part. So yesterday I took contraction so that you can use contraction in your day-to-day communication, and it doesn't worry. Okay, it's if your parents are not, they are not speaking English, you can use these lines, practice these lines on daily basis. These are the lines which we use for our daily conversation, right? So I have something for you at the end. I want you to speak by using contractions. You can frame your morning routine as per your convenience, as per your comfortness. You have to make a video and share that video in the group. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good to go?
Yes, sir.
Show your thumbs. Show your thumbs. I want to see thumbs. Thumbs up. Everyone? Yeah.